We're going to be using a website called Switch Zoo in order to create imaginary animals. So you just click play and create to get started, and it allows you to choose the animal's body, the animal's head, the animal's legs, and the animal's tail. So you pick the main body of the animal that you want. You look around, there's a lot of choices. And then you start switching heads, tails, and legs until you get the imaginary animal you want. At first, I tried to right-click on the image and save it, and that did not work. I only ended up saving part of the animal. So the way that you're going to do it is you're actually going to go to your keyboard, and you're going to hit Control or Command P. Now, usually you think of Control P or Command P as being print, but instead of printing, you're going to actually, there's a drop-down menu there, and one of the choices, if you click, instead of going to your printer, you just click the little triangle. First of all, I'm going to make sure it's in color, so I'm changing the settings so it's in color, and I'm not actually going to print it. Instead, I'm going to use that drop-down menu, and I'm going to put it directly into my Google Drive. So it actually says add to or save to Google Drive. So when I click on that and I hit print, instead of it going to a printer, it goes right to my Google Drive and it's saved there. Now, once I'm done, quote-unquote, printing it to my Google Drive, my next step is going to be to go into Google Drive and find that document and change the sharing settings so I can get a link that I can put into Google Classroom. So I'm going to make another animal, and then I'm going to, once I've made the animal that I want, I'm going to play around with it. There's a lot of different choices. And then I'm going to save the entire PDF right to my Google Drive. So the way you save it is Control or Command P. Once I have my item saved, I'm going to go into my Google Drive. I'm going to find my the stuff that I just uploaded by clicking. Let me just go right to Google Drive, and then I'm going to click a recent. And the two most recent things that I uploaded should appear at the very beginning. So let me look. There they are, recent. And I'm going to just right-click over them, and there'll be a drop-down menu, and I'm going to turn link sharing on and copy the link. And then I can go right to Google Classroom, and I can click Add or Create and paste the link in. Now, my other option, instead of going to Google Classroom, hitting Add or Create and clicking Link and then pasting the link in, is I can actually go to Google Drive, right-click, and download the files. And then instead of adding a link, I would click Select Files from your device. And in that way, I would add them right into Google Classroom. Hit upload, and there they are. So that's how you would turn your work into Google Classroom if you created something from Switch Zoo. However, please do not hit submit at this point, because we still have to draw our imaginary animals and take a picture of them and upload that to Google Classroom. So creating your animals in Switch Zoo is just the first step. But now you have to create an original drawing for your storybook illustration.